Good morning from Toulouse, Greece. I have such a beautiful scene in front of me, and there are many times when you may encounter a distant horizon mountain range over the water. You may wonder how to compose it. Well, I'd like to show you. Okay, let's begin. So here's the beautiful morning scene, and as you can see, we have a distant horizon landscape with mountains. So I do have a long lens. I don't often bring this with me, but I knew that we'd have some distant landscapes. So let's take the picture. And I'm not using a tripod because I don't need to. It's so bright outside with the sun. I've already set up my camera. I'm at f8. I'm at the lowest possible ISO, which is 200. And yeah, let's take the picture and see what we have here.